I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
This summer solstice weekend, I'm trying a new jigsaw puzzle brand based out of Calgary, Alberta, called Elewhite. This 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle has an abstract image coincidentally entitled Summer Solstice, and it was an enjoyable 8.5-hour solve. So let's do this. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.